How to turn off rings on audio or video calls on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off this option. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when Snapchat is opening, you go here on your profile and click. Then go to settings here and click. Then go down to notification here and click. Then you go down to ring. For example, if it is like that, how to turn off this? You will just click here and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.